hate when this thing happens, man. I'm looking for stupid. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mr. Segun, and I'm a mathematics tutor. So today we'll be looking at a very important topic in mathematics, which is called quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So I know most of us are familiar with this topic. Some of us have studied this and we know it already, right? But I want to shed more light and give us a better understanding of what quadratic equations is, right? So we'll solve some problems, we'll see some questions, and then so let's quickly go straight down into this topic. So before I start, I would like to give a definition of what a quadratic equation is. So it says here that a quadratic equation is one whose power of unknown is equal to 2. So before I go ahead to explain what this means, I want to establish something very, very important. Now, in mathematics, these two words, right, they don't mean the same thing. Now, most students often confuse this concept. Some say an equation is still the same as an expression. But I'm here to tell you that an equation is entirely different from an expression. They are not the same thing. So I'm going to show the difference between an equation and an expression. And then once I've done that, we'll be able to use that information to get a better understanding of what a quadratic equation is all about. So let's dive into it. Now, an equation is more of like a statement. So say for example, if I make a statement like air is a mixture of gas it's a mixture of gases rather, and then I say can I have your pen? Now, an equation is like a statement. Now, a statement can either be true or false. How do I identify a statement? You identify a statement by its truth value. So, if you can't tell whether this is either true or false, then such is not a statement. For example, I have here, air is a mixture of gases. Now, this is a statement. So, this can either be true or false. Now, looking at the second one, can I have your pen? This is not a statement, this is like a question. So you can't really tell if this is true or false. So this is an example of an equation. So an equation is more or less like a statement. Alright, so an equation can either be true or false. Now, while an expression, as the name implies, simply expresses something. So it doesn't actually, you can't tell if it is true or false. For in the case of this one, can I have your pen? I can't say whether that is true or false. Are you with me now? So let me give some differences. An equation contains an equality sign. Does not contain an equality sign. So to break it down so we can easily understand this, an equation within itself contains an equality sign. So whenever you see this equal to, all right, in any expression, such expression is now what? An equation. Now, but an expression does not have an equality sign. So let me give an example.